Hey guys, in this video we're going to unbox the Apple Watch 7 series, and this box is quite rather large. It feels like it's a lot bigger than the iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro. It's quite long as well. So let's see if we turn back over to the back, and you can see at the back here there is two flips that you can grab onto it, and in here we can, so there is like a flap that you can open, and you can open it that way, and then you can put this flap up, so it just go in like that. Okay, so this is just some kind of like a grabbing that you can just ungrab it, and once you ungrab it there is a box inside, and this is facing up, so I'm going to lift it up. Okay, so once you lift it up, there are two boxes inside. One is the watch and the other one is the band, the wristband. Okay, so we're going to open this one up. There is an arrow down here. I'm going to open it. Okay, so that's one. And then we're going to open it on the other end. Now this Apple Watch 7 still works with your old iPhone 6s. It has to be 6s or later, running iOS 15. So I'm just trying to drop the box down. This end still not coming out, so trying to get the other end out as well. I'm just going to put this one back in. Okay, especially if you can have it both come out at the same time. Alright, so that's the cover. And in here we got a small user menu, so we can pull out this watch user menu. Okay, so I have some basic instruction right here, and this is the watch right here. It's really small. It's got a paper grab around the watch, so if I just ungrab the paper, maybe I can just push it up. Yeah, so don't need to break the paper packaging. We can just kind of like push it up and pull it out. Alright, so if I put it on my hand right here, you can see how big it is. And this is a 41mm version, so this is what it looks like on the hand. So if you want a larger display size, you can also choose the 45mm. And this is the back of the watch. It's got a lot of sensories at the back right here. And you can also choose a lot of different colors as well. It comes with different colors, different bands that you could choose from. Okay, so that's the watch. Just put it to the side. And in here we also get another package, and here we're going to open this up, and here you get the cable, the charger cable. There is no charger with this device, so you get a charger plug for your watch. Just trying to pull this one out. So there is this charger that you can use it to charge your watch, but you do not have there is no wall charger plug, so you need to purchase them separately. Okay, so that is the cable. We're just gonna put it to the side. Now you can also choose a band. Now there are a lot of different styles that you could choose from. Just going to open this one up and take a look. I think this one is already open. We can just kind of open it like that. Okay, so we can unwrap it. Now once you unwrap it, this is the band right here. Let's see if we can just take it out. I think this one you're just gonna pull up like this, and then you're just gonna pull it out. There is also a plastic tab, so I'm just gonna pull out this piece of plastic that's holding down the wristband, and that's it. So here it is, and then you can simply just attach this to the watch, like so. So just like that, and it will snap into place. So the features of this watch is that it got the always on retina displayed, and said that it has nearly 20% larger screen area than the Apple Watch Series 6, and it also has the moss crack resistance front crystal displayed. It also has an IP6X dust resistance and a swim-proof design 3. Now you will need to have your watch, your phone, to pair with your watch. If you don't have an iPhone, then you cannot pair it. You cannot set it up. Now there are 3 major functions that you can use on this watch for your health, and that is you can use the sensor here to measure your blood oxygen with this powerful sensor. You can take an ECG at any time, anywhere, and you can use it to measure your heart rate, get high and low heart rate, and irregular heart rhythm notifications with this watch. There are also health apps like mindfulness app and sleep app, so that you can keep track of your sleep. And for workout routines, there is a new workout, Tai Chi and Pilates workout, in addition to the previous workouts in the older model like running, yoga, swimming, and dance. You can track your daily activity on Apple Watch and see the trends in the fitness app and on the iPhone. Now you can also use this watch to make payments with Apple Pay, so you can pay instantly just simply using your watch. And as for the watch, it has an all-day battery life, and you can charge it really quickly with the charger that I have previously unboxed. Now there is no screen protector or case protector, so if you want, you need to purchase them separately. Now you can get these Apple Watches starting from $399 all the way up to $1,299, depending on which model you're getting, the type of the case it's made from. So the price will vary from aluminum to steels, stainless steels, and ceramics surface. So yeah, the price will depend on which model you're getting, but overall, these Apple Watches have a tons of features built in, such as blood oxygens reading, fall detections, and even the sound loudness detection. So if it's too loud, it also sends you notifications. And you can see the display here going all the way down to the edge of the case. And this is the back right here. So that's it, guys. That is everything's inside the Apple Watch Series 7. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.